Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to blockchain.com account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your blockchain.com account, start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the web address bar at the top as soon as you do that and type in www.blockchain.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of blockchain.com, which looks like this. To log in, go to the top right hand corner and click the login button. Now, enter your email address or your wallet ID associated with your blockchain.com account in the text box. Soon after you do that, click on the continue button. Now, you'll need to verify your device in order to log into your account, so go ahead and check your email that is associated with your blockchain account. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. On your email inbox, you'll be able to receive an email from blockchain. Click open the email and click on the login button and you'll be able to verify your device. Now you can go back to the login page of blockchain, enter your password associated with your blockchain account into the password text box and finally click on the login button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your blockchain.com account with a few simple steps. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.